is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. In the course of handling personal injury cases, whether the cases are litigated or before lawsuits are filed, many times we're asked to attend or participate in what's called a mediation. In Florida, any case where a lawsuit is filed typically is ordered into mediation by a trial judge, or sometimes the parties can agree on performing or doing a mediation, completing a mediation without a court order. At any rate, many of our clients have questions about what is a mediation, what does it do, how does it work, that sort of thing. A mediation is very generally stated a settlement conference. It's a time when the parties can come together with the assistance of a mediator who is sometimes a retired judge, sometimes he's an active attorney who's decided to mediate cases, but at any rate, a mediator is almost always specially trained to try to get the parties to compromise and come together. So a mediation is really, in a glorified sense, a settlement conference where each side gets to present its version of the events or what its view of the case is, and the other side gets to present theirs as well. And then the parties work together along with the mediator trying to get a case resolved. A mediator typically doesn't care how much either party accepts or receives or pays. All the mediator typically is interested in doing is getting the case resolved if he or she can. So they have tricks and strategies and techniques that they use to get the parties to compromise more so as much as they can in order to get a case close to getting resolved so that the parties can mutually agree to resolve a case together. And that brings cases to a conclusion, and it keeps cases out of the courthouse where both sides face a lot of risk. So that's in a very general sense what a mediation is. Of course, it would be different if it's a divorce case or if it's a breach of contract case, that sort of thing. But typically the ones that we handle are personal injury mediations. And typically the cases get settled at mediation, not always. And it's not always, it's not even probably in the 90%, but at least each side gets to hear what the other side thinks about the case and can make informed decisions about whether the case needs to go forward. If you have any questions about a Florida personal injury case or mediation, please call me or my law partner Robert Hemphill at 407-254-4901 or visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com.